Hey everyone, want a stable job with weekly pay, flexible shifts, and a chance to grow? Amazon warehouse jobs in the USA are one of the most accessible ways to get started. So you need to open your browser and go to amazon.jobs. So this website right over here. Right after that, you press this one at the middle, which is warehouse and hourly jobs. View open jobs. Let the page load, and as you can see, you choose the Amazon warehouses, and from here you can search for a job. So guys, after that you can use the filters to narrow your research and search by shift type, day, night or weekend, and whether you're looking for full-time, part-time or seasonal work. Right, so this is where you can filter your jobs. So set to United States, of course. You can choose the states as well. Let's say Florida. Or you can choose the city. Full-time, for example, and as you can see we have, for example, two jobs available. And to apply, guys, just click on the job. After that you will have a button, as you can see, apply now. So after browsing the listings, you need to enter your personal info, work eligibility and shift preferences. No resume is required for most entry-level warehouse jobs, but having one may boost your chances. Once submitted, Amazon will send you details about your hiring appointment. This includes identity verification and drug test, and possibly a warehouse tour. That's how to apply for Amazon warehouse jobs in the USA. It's fast, simple, and you could get hired in as little as a few days. So if this video helped, guys, don't forget to support us, like the video, subscribe. See you soon.